Hi everyone, today is December 17 and I'm suffering from headache due to toothache. And also, sumasabay yung panahon. These past few days, naulanan ako papunta ng school and eto na yung naging resulta. Yan, grabe yung ulan. So nasa kwarto kasi I'm not feeling well. Yan, medyo mainit pa. Hindi ko kaya ipersa yung sarili ko para kung ano yung gawin. I'm just yan, resting and gaining my energy. So yun, ang hirap magkasakit kaya always take care of your health. Um, if your body needs a rest, then take a rest. And also, napaka-importante ng water para hindi kayo ma-dehydrate. And fruits, kanyan, healthy foods. Paminsan-minsan, pwede din yung mag-junk foods. Paminsan-minsan lang naman. So, ayun. I hope na within this week, maalis na ito yung, pakiramdam, masamang pakiramdam ko. And, ayun, keep back on track tayo. So, yun lang. Ito ata yung first video ko na nagkakagawin. So, thank you and have a nice day.